Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you run a supported Windows edition and that virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Next, enable Hyper-V and the Windows Sandbox feature. You can do that quickly from Control Panel. Turn Windows features on or off, or with PowerShell as admin. Once done, reboot immediately so Hyper-V and virtualization settings take effect. These initial steps remove the most common blockers. Do them now before we move into deeper troubleshooting and logs. Now, inspect the runtime components. Open services and confirm Hyper-V related services like Host Compute Service and VMMS are running. Start or restart them if not. Then verify virtualization drivers and CPU extensions are present. Update BIOS and chipset drivers if needed to restore VM support. Review Event Viewer for Sandbox-specific errors under the Microsoft Windows Sandbox path to identify precise failures. Once you collect logs and restart services, you'll be ready to apply targeted fixes based on error ID. Finish by applying concrete fixes. Disable Windows Sandbox, reboot, then re-enable it. Run sfc/scano and dism restore health to fix corrupted system files. Also check for conflicting software like VMware, VirtualBox, certain VPNs, or security tools. Disable or uninstall them because they can take exclusive virtualization control. If Sandbox still fails, try a new Windows user profile or an in-place repair install to restore missing components. Troubleshooting tip. If errors persist, capture Event Viewer Error ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.